How's it going, guys? So, back here, AvrgJoe's garage. Still in the middle of quarantine, COVID-19, bullcrap, whatever. So, um, figured I would go ahead and pick up another project because we all know that I need more projects. But we got this nice little 98 Camaro SS. Got some problems. So, I had an issue with the pistons coming in contact with the cylinder head. Still trying to figure out what happened to it, but this is its current state. So we picked it up with the heads already off. They're over here. So I got my pile of parts over here. But we got one, here we go. So cylinders 7 and 8 seem to be in the worst condition, but some of the other ones, let's see, you can see a little bit of dinging right here. So still not 100% sure what happened. I'm gonna work on getting this motor pulled and then go from there. So we've got the airbox is off. Airbox is off. That's right here. There's the airbox. So got that off. Gonna go ahead and pull the radiator. So just need to disconnect the hoses and unhook the fans, and then the radiator can come out, and then we will unhook the motor from the transmission and just pull it out the front. Normally, like if it was a full motor, heads and everything on it, as a full complete motor, you would just lift the car up, drop the subframe with the motor and trans together and just pull those out. But I don't have a lift, so it makes that a little bit more difficult, and the motor's pretty much tore apart already as it is, so we'll just pull it out through the front, go from there. So yeah, we'll just get you set up on a time lapse and get to work. Well, I didn't get too much done today. Got the radiator out and started checking to see if everything was disconnected wire-wise. So just kind of checking through some of that stuff. Looks like the AC's been deleted on this car, so maybe we'll have to get that flushed out. So maybe we can put some AC back in this thing. But I got a storm rolling in. It's supposed to storm the rest of the day, and we're outside with the heads off, so I don't want to get. It's already got some surface rust in the cylinders, and I don't want it to get too much worse. I mean, it's getting honed out anyway, but still, however much rust we can prevent will just help us down the road. So, gonna clean up here and get the hood closed, and then call it a day, I guess. So I'll work on some other stuff in the house. Go from there. Thanks for watching. Well, I figured I'd do a little walk around for you guys real quick while I'm out here. So we've got a 98, I believe, Camaro SS. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not 100% sure if it's a true SS. I think it might be a clone, but I don't know. I mean, we got T-tops, 6-speed manual. I got the Camaro SS badge on the dash, the floor mats. Seats were pulled out. I guess the guy was going to put a cage in, but never got around to it, decided to sell it instead. A little bit of, I think that's like the only real paint issue with the whole car. Good looking car. It's got some niche wheels on it. Niche or Nietzsche or however the heck you want to say it. Nietzsche, niche, niche. I don't know. But they look pretty good on it. I like them. So, you know, they got some nice concave wheel. So, I like the way they look. They got some good tires left on them. So, let's see if we can. I mean, pretty good tread wear. BF Goodrich's. Let's see if we can. Yeah. So, got plenty of life on them still. T-top car. Yeah. Don't know how many miles are on it. The battery was disconnected, and I didn't hook it back up just because everything that's unplugged up front. I didn't want to chance messing anything up. Little paint chip on the front bumper there, and then said he threw the hood on real quick, like the day before I picked it up, so it's misaligned and everything. So we'll have to try to get that sorted out. But yeah, I mean, it's a good looking car all in all. You know, it's got a true ram air hood. The hood scoops in and then redirects it to the front where the air box is. So it goes in and then comes around up to the front on both sides. So it kind of like a ram horn hood or something. But yeah, all in all, not a bad pickup, I guess. So yeah. Well, again, thanks for watching, and try to bring you some more videos of this thing here pretty soon. We'll do an engine teardown here pretty soon, hopefully. Let's see how bad it actually is. But yeah, see you guys later.